Okay, no. Aquí estamos grabando, and this is the paper that we're talking about, day 3, calculating slopes, and the slope of the best fit line, and also the slopes of the individual points to calculate the average slope. So go for it. Go ahead and take one. Get one and pass it around, please. All right. Paper planes ought to stop already. Paper planes ought to stop. Let's go ahead and repártelo, por favor. All right, let's go back to your seat. Go back to your seat. No, go ahead and get a paper from Noelia. Go ahead and get a paper. Throw that away already. Throw that away already. Throw that away, gentlemen. That's it. That's it. This is a safety hazard. You might poke somebody's eye out. They're not paying attention. Let's go ahead and grab your. Go ahead and grab this. Ya agarraron uno. Tiene tres para ahí. All right, let's go ahead and talk about this. What we're gonna do. So we need graphing paper. Let me go ahead and have a No alcanzaron. Aquí tengo uno más. ¿Cuánto ocupa? You guys got? ¿Usted tiene uno? Sí. Okay. How many? Do you guys need one more? It should say day 3. Day 3.
I don't need you to calm it down.
Okay, go ahead. Before you forget, go ahead and write down your data right at the top. Right at the top. Write down your name, the names of each member of your group, the number of steps that they took, and the time as well. So write that down right now. That way you don't forget. Each member of your group. So right here, right up top, okay? Right up top. Good job, Rosa. Right up here, okay. Good job. Good. This team's name was the.
Oh Lord Jesus.
Yeah, I'm going to my brother.
Heavens. Reach for the sky. Is a team's name. Reach for the sky. Los Intocables. And come through spinning stuff like a llama. It's right over there. All right, so ya agarraron los nombres de cada quien. Ajá. Y cada quien debe de tener todo esto aquí como copéenlo de Brandon. Okay.
Es así.
Copéelo de ahí, por favor, para que usted tenga la información. Copé, cada escriba los nombres, escriba también cuántos pasos cada quien tomó para recibir su para recibir su avioneta, y luego capte también ahí, grabe los segundos que tomaron también, el tiempo que tomó. Tiempo y distancia, eso es lo que necesitamos. Time and distance we need for our data. Okay? So time and distance, we are coming forth and we are drawing a best fit line. We're going to be drawing a best fit line. But first we need to talk about this, we need to go ahead and talk about, Trayvon, we need to go ahead and talk about this, what we're supposed to do, okay? So, go ahead, Trayvon, read on the first top sentence right underneath day 3, each student. Go ahead, Trayvon. Read on each student.
Read on each student. Each student will need the graphic paper to turn in the phone lesson ticket and receive a letter grade for this project.
So I'm collecting letter grades. I'm collecting the graphing paper and also this paper from each student, not individual group work, from each student, okay? All right, let me go ahead and have Brandon draw a Cartesian coordinate on part A.
Draw a Cartesian coordinate using a ruler and make sure it covers the entire front page of the graphing paper. We are only using the first quadrant, so it is okay to have the origin on the lower left-hand corner of the graphic paper.
And this is what I mean by the lower left-hand corner. Everybody look over here. Miren aquí, presten atención aquí. Aquí puede ser el origen aquí. Aquí la línea de la Y, aquí la línea de la X y la origen aquí en la manita izquierda aquí abajo. Porque nomás vamos a estar utilizando el primer cuadro. Recuérdese que hay 4 cuadros, ¿verdad? Y vamos a utilizar el primero. We're going to use the first quadrant. So it's okay to have the origin right over here. The y-axis, the x-axis, and we're only using this big top part for our project, right? Because distance is measured positive, right? And we've been measuring distance. Time, we've been also measuring it positive as well. So time is going to be in the bottom. That's going to be time right here. It's going to be time right here. And then distance, which is equal to the number of steps. Okay, and initially I had asked you how many steps you guys are gonna take. On average, that's gonna be your first point right over here. So whatever your guess was, that's gonna be the first point, right there on the y-axis, whatever that guess was. Now the second point, is actually going to come from the first person. So the first person, say I'm talking about these groups right here, reach for the sky. Say I'm talking about these group of gentlemen right here, reach for the sky. That's their team name. Person one, they took, let's just say they took 7 seconds. 7 seconds to get back. And they took 11 steps to get over there. So this might be 11. Initially, you might have guessed, 6 steps. But this is 11 right over here, 7 seconds, and then 11 steps. That's gonna be the first point on our data. Let's turn that off, please. And then the second person might have been coming back around the 13th second. The 13th second, and then maybe they took only about 5 steps right over here. And then the third person maybe took around the 22nd second. 22 seconds to come on the 22nd second, they came back and they might have taken like 15 steps. And then the fourth and final person might have come at the 30th second mark, and they might have taken 3 steps. Maybe their airplane didn't travel so far. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna try to measure the best fit line. The best fit line on part B. Let me go ahead and have Grijalva read on part B, please.
Students will place the data collected Wednesday on the graphic paper. There should be at least 5 points. 4 of those points are coming from each group member's time and distance, and the 5th point is actually the first point. This point is the team's guess and will be placed on the y-axis when t equals to 0.
So these are the 4 people, these are their times, and then this 5th point is the first point right over here, the one that we guessed in the beginning. So it was just a wild guess that we took, like maybe we're gonna take these many steps. That's gonna be the fifth point, or if you want to consider it the first point. But look, let me go ahead and have Janaya go ahead and read on part C.
Draw a line that best fits in. Draw a line that best fits the data. This line is not crooked, so do not connect the points. It is straight, and some points may not even on the actual line.
Yeah, it may not be on the actual line. Some points may not be on the actual line. So this is not what I want to see. I don't want to see this, look, ladies and gentlemen. Walter, no quiero ver esto. No quiero ver que conecte todos esos puntos.
Even on the line.
Yeah, be even. It may not even be on the line. Yeah, I forgot to put the little word be. But good question. But however, I'm gonna want to try to draw a line that best fits this data. A line may look like this right here. That's gonna get all these points closest to the line. And for different folks inside your group, it might look a little different. It might slope a little different. It might even touch the y-intercept differently, and that's okay. That's okay. This is your interpretation, okay, of your data, of the data from your group, okay? So remember, I don't want to have any connecting dots. No quiero ver esto, mire, no quiero ver que conecten todos esos puntos. Lo que quiero ver es una sola línea que capte esa posición de todos esos puntos que están, que va a ser la línea más cercana, que agarra estos puntos más cercanos, ¿ok? Tal vez no va a tener un punto dentro de aquella línea. Tal vez un punto. Pero no sé. no se preocupe tanto. No, esta es su representación de la información que ha captado, de las distancias y también del tiempo, el tiempo y la distancia, que es el número de pasos. ¿Ok? Entonces tal vez no va a tocar ningún punto, pero esta línea vamos a ver cuál es el y-intercept, cuál es el slope. Es lo que dice is what it says on the next part D. So Rosa, go ahead and read on part D, please.
Find 2 points to graph for point position. These 2 points should be at
All right, thank you very much. So 2 points on this position. Remember, you're using graphing paper. So let's suppose this is graphing paper. Este papel cuadriculado. Hay que suponer que este es un papel cuadriculado. Nomás lo va a cuadricular. Yo sé que no es la representación la representación mejor, más perfecta. Ajá, la representación más perfecta. Pero what I'm gonna want to do, I'm gonna want to find 2 points on this line that are on the grid. So maybe one point is coming from over here, and the other point, it's a little hard to look for, but maybe one over right here, let's just suppose. Any 2 points that are on the line, que estén en la línea, and also on the grids of your graphing paper. That way you understand what point is this one and this one. Where is this point, okay? So when I say x1, y1, x2, y2, it says x1, y1, x2, y2, but these are actual numbers. So if we go based on this formulation, maybe this is the point 15, and this is the point, I don't know, 7. So this is 15,7, this point. And what would this point be? Maybe the point 33, 11. So to find the slope, what is the formula for slope? It's right in the middle. M equals
y2 minus y1 and then x2 minus x1.
That's the formula right there. And it's capturing these two, the difference of the y values, the difference in the rise. How much did it rise before it ran from this point to this point? It had to rise first and then run. So if we go based on the numbers right there, what is my y2? Noelia, ¿cuál es la segunda Y? 11. 11 is my y2. My y1, what would my y1 be, Bryson? Y1 is? That's my x1. 7, good. The y's, the difference in the y's divided by the difference in the x's. So Barrera, what is the x2 right here? What is my x2? It's right over here.
33.
33 is my x2. Walter, what is my x1? ¿Cuál es mi primer x? Esas son las segunda x, segunda y. Esta es la primera x, primera y. ¿Cuál es la primera y?
15.
15, good. And so we have, what do we have? What's our slope for this line? What's 11 minus 7?
4.
4, so that means I had to rise 4 before I ran. How many steps did I run? What's 33 minus 15? Good job, Bryson. 17 or 18?
It's 18.
18, atta girl.
Yeah, it's 17.
18. And then can I redo?
It is 18.
Atta girl. Can I reduce that? Can I reduce 4 over 18? What's gonna be my reduction?
2 over is
2 over 9.
9.
And I could no longer reduce that. So what does that mean?
The answer is 2 over 9.
What answer? What's that answer?
That's the slope.
Slope of this line. That means at any given point that I happen to be on this line. I could be way over here. I could be way down over here. I could be anywhere on the line, but the line will always have the same slope. It will always rise 2, run 9 times. Rise 2, run 9 times. Rise 2, run 9 times. At all times. Bless you. Bless you. Rise 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 at all times. Okay, so that's gonna be for the first one. And the y-intercept, everybody knows what's the y-intercept. Maybe it's not in your first initial guess, but I want you to find the y-intercept of this one. And I want you to also answer number 3. If the orders were reversed, Joshua, what does number 3 say? Will it be different if the eldest person threw first? So maybe the eldest person threw like way over here, and maybe the slope is sloping downward. 1247 from this class. All right, well, thank you very much. I'll continue going, but I will stop this recording. Thank you very much. Period 5, you guys are the best.